Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, often abbreviated as KP or KPK and formerly known as the Northwest Frontier Province, is one of the 4 provinces of Pakistan. It is located in the northwestern region of the country, along the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. It was previously known as the Northwest Frontier Province until 2010, when the name was changed to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa by the 18th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan, and is known colloquially by various other names. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the 3rd largest province of Pakistan in terms of both population and economy, though it is geographically the smallest of the 4 provinces within Pakistan. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa shares a border with the Islamabad Capital Territory, Punjab, Balochistan, and the Pakistani-administered territories of Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. It is home to 17.9% of Pakistan's total population, with the majority of the province's inhabitants being ethnic Pashtuns and Hindko speakers. The province is the site of the ancient kingdom of Gandhara, including the ruins of its capital Pushkalavati, located near modern-day Charsadda, once a stronghold of Buddhism. The history of the region was characterized by frequent invasions by various empires due to its geographical proximity to the Khyber Pass. On the 2nd of March 2017, the government of Pakistan considered a proposal to merge the adjoining federally administered tribal areas with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and to repeal the Frontier Crimes Regulations, a set of British Raj-era special laws that continued to govern the tribal areas at the time. However, some political parties opposed the merger, and called for the tribal areas to instead become a separate province entirely. On the 24th of May 2018, the National Assembly of Pakistan voted in favor of an amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan to merge the federally administered tribal areas with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Provincial Assembly then approved the historic FATA-KP merger bill on the 28th of May 2018, which would merge FATA with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The bill was then signed by erstwhile President Mamnoon Hussain, officially completing the process of this historic merger. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa means the Khyber side of the land of the Pashtuns, where the word Pakhtunkhwa means land of the Pashtuns, while according to some scholars, it refers to Pashtun culture and society. When the British established it as a province, they called it Northwest Frontier Province, due to its relative location being in northwest of their Indian Empire. After the creation of Pakistan, Pakistan continued with this name, but a Pashtun nationalist party, Awami National Party, demanded that the province name be changed to Pakhtunkhwa. Their logic behind that demand was that Punjabi people, Sindhi people and Balochi people have their provinces named after their ethnicities, but that is not the case for Pashtun people. Pakistan Muslim League was against that name since it was too similar to Bacha Khan's demand of a separate nation of Pashtunistan. PMLN wanted to name the province something other than which does not carry Pashtun identity in it, as they argued that there were other minor ethnicities living in the province, especially Hindkovans, who spoke Hindko. Thus the word Khyber was introduced with the name because it is the name of a major pass which connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. During the times of Indus Valley Civilization, the modern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's Khyber Pass through Hindu Kush provided a route to other neighboring regions and was used by merchants on trade excursions. From 1500 BCE, Indo-Aryan people started to enter in the region after having passed Khyber Pass. The Gandharan civilization, which reached its zenith between the 6th and 1st centuries BCE, and which features prominently in the Hindu epic poem, the Mahabharata, had one of its cores over the modern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Vedic texts refer to the area as the province of Pushkalavati. The area was once known to be a great center of learning. At around 516 BCE, Darius Hystaspes sent Silex, a Greek seaman from Karyanda, to explore the course of the Indus River. Darius Hystaspes subsequently subdued the races dwelling west of the Indus and north of Kabul. Gandhara was incorporated into the Persian Empire as one of its far easternmost satrapy system of government. The satrapy of Gandhara is recorded to have sent troops for Xerxes' invasion of Greece in 480 BCE. In the spring of 327 BCE, Alexander the Great crossed the Indian Caucasus his base. The ancient region of Pokaleotis submitted to the Greek invasion, leading to Nicanor, a Macedonian, being appointed satrap of the country west of the Indus. which includes the modern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. After Alexander's death in 323 BCE, Porus obtained possession of the region but was murdered by Eudemus in 317 BCE. Eudemus then left the region, and with his departure, Macedonian power collapsed. Sandrocotis IV,